Welcome to Fun for Everyone. Let's start reading.
L-O-G, log. A frog sat on the log. C-A-B, cab. This is a yellow cab. F-A-N, fan. The fan is on. M-A-N, man. He is a tall man. R-A-T, rat. The rat likes cheese. F-A-T, fat. He is a fat boy. D-O-G, dog. The dog is barking. K-I-T, kit. This is a tool kit. R-E-D, red. This is a red rose. S-A-D, sad. He looks sad. P-A-N, pan. This is a frying pan.
If you enjoyed the video, kindly like, share and subscribe Fun for Everyone for more videos. Thanks for watching.